Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. Today I'm going to be traveling from St. Louis to Raccoon Lake, Indiana. Yeehaw! Hey, at least it ain't Crestview. And I'll be visiting my friends Larry and Lisa Everson, who have a great little house on the lake. Stick around, we'll see you at the end. I was feeling a tad hungover and I figured Steak and Shake would do the trick. So I got the steak burger with the eggs on top. What I like to do is add my hash browns to the eggs, then cut it into quarters so I have sliders. I was still feeling a little tired and hungover, so I stopped at Dollar Tree. Your pub club tip of the day? Get this stuff at Dollar Tree. Why pay $4.99 for it when it's $1 there? It rained on me all the way back. It was the kind of day I was having. Then when I got to Indiana, the road was closed. I had to take some kind of crazy back road. Thank God for GPS. If it wasn't for that, I would have never made it there. I was so happy to get to their driveway and park the car for the day. I was real excited to taste some of their new cooking. They have been trying some crazy things since Lisa retired. Lisa cooked some homemade bread, and Larry made something that gave me an EGGASM. Lisa's been experimenting with a sous vide. I'd never seen one of those before. Pretty cool. Larry's got this Terre Haute Brewing Company growler, and we're going to check it out, see what it's all about. A couple of glasses of Foxy's glass. And Lisa's going to go redneck with her wine glass.
That's right. That's right.
Want not, waste not.
It's funny tasting this at
We'll have a little bit of wine flavor to it, though.
Just at the wine festival, they went and very particular about cleaning up the glasses.
Nice dark beer. And then a little mix of wine there.
Red wine beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, let's try this. We're gonna try the sous vide. Is that how you say it?
Sous vide, yeah.
Cook some vegetables
It's
in
French,
Ziplocs.
called French under vacuum. Larry calls it just boiling bags.
Very interesting.
It's gonna get the air out. Sometimes you have to weight them down. So this
First 3 hours.
Uh-huh.
All they've got on them is basically a little bit of the Bad Byron's butt rub and olive oil.
What is this you cooking?
These are pork bellies.
Pork bellies. Whoa, that looks decadent.
So we for the
And there's your sauce, and there's your, what is that, garlic? No,
onions.
Onions.
With sauteed onions. So
Okay.
first 3 hours, 250, and smoke them with Bad Byron's butt rub on them and a little bit of olive oil.
Mm-hmm.
And it's done on a rack where all the drippings come through. Then you put them in a pan.
Mm-hmm.
You go an hour with a little bit of like pop or lemonade or something.
Mm-hmm.
These have a little bourbon on there too.
Mm-hmm.
Dust them again with the Bad Byrons, and you cover them for that hour. Then you pull the cover off and you put on your barbecue seasoning or whatever you want to put on them.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got some sauteed onions here that we're going to put on, and
They're going to cook down a little bit.
they'll cook a little bit more with it too. We also, during the last cook, we'd added about a half a stick of butter to add some moisture to it. And these will go another hour here in a minute as soon as we get the... This is a barbecue sauce I put together. You can use any one you like. This one here is a blend of one that is a hickory brown sugar sauce along with Ben's, which is more of a spicier sauce with a little bit more bourbon in it.
Okay, that's why I saw the bourbon. I thought you were just drinking it.
And then these will make the barbecue burn ends.
That's going to be amazing.
So this is the total time, cook time is about 5 hours on these.
And it's good to have the green egg, man. That thing really does the job. Keeps the temperature even. You just get all that mixed in and...
Just kind of blend it all up good.
God, I don't know if I can wait another hour.
But yeah, these are really good. This is... Pork bellies come when you go to the store to buy it is actually sold as fresh side a lot of times. So Costco sells it as actually pork bellies, but a lot of other places sell it as fresh side.
Fresh side. S-I-D-E. And that's how they make the burnt ends and pieces? Is that's what they use?
On pork.
On pork.
Yeah. And essentially what that is bacon that's not been cured. So it comes in a whole side, a whole side of the hog, like a whole slab of bacon, but it hasn't been cured.
Amazing.
So
you heard it here first, y'all, from Larry, Pitmaster. Lisa makes her own homemade bread with lots of seeds in it. She also makes her own ravioli, which is pretty cool. I don't know how she does that. Then she made some green beans, and Larry made those amazing pork bellies, all on the big green egg. Man, they were amazing. Of course, we had to have after dinner dessert, which is cruisin', not cruzan. When I woke up the next morning, Larry surprised me with homemade biscuits and gravy. He calls them B's and G's. I hated to leave, but it was time to hit the road for Nashville. Hey, I hope you liked this episode of My Tour Tales, y'all. Wow, that was a rough trip. Getting all the way here and enjoying those pork bellies that Larry made was well worth it. And of course, this morning, Larry had made some B's and G's, what he calls them, biscuits and gravy. And believe it or not, Lisa makes her own sausage from scratch. So just those two meals alone made this trip worth it. So anyway, for My Tour Tales, I'm Eric Stone. Remember, open roads, open minds. See you next time.